Hi, I'm Lou.
And I'm Jim.
To save space in this little cabin, we're going to build a Lofted Murphy bed right there. First, we'll cut this 4x8 sheet of 3/4 inch plywood roughly down to the size of a twin bed. Now we're going to nip off corners on each end so we match the roof line of the cabin. We cut this 2x6 to the length of our bed, put glue on this edge, pre-drilled holes, and we're going to screw it on with construction screws. We cut pieces all the way around to fit the edge of the bed. To provide extra strength, we're going to put 2 L brackets in each corner like this. We had to bend these angle brackets to fit more like this by setting them on a vise and banging on the corner. Now we'll drill a hole here. Screw in this eye bolt. So we need to fit these on a chain, but it's a loop, so we're going to spread this out with a chisel. So now they fit. We took the beam casing off that last beam and we're going to cut it off on both sides. Here we are with the beam cut out, and there's plenty of strength between that beam, and that's a double header there, so I'm not worried about this thing pushing out. Here it is on the cabin floor, and we're going to put eye bolts across here and then right across here for hinging. We found 4 studs on the back wall, so we'll drill in and we'll screw in our hooks. Those are all in place, and now we're going to put the same ones down here. Those are all in, and we also included the chain hooks. Got it hooked on the wall, and it's temporarily standing on this board. We've got our chain on that hook, and then we're going to connect it into the top plate right up here. And here are the chains installed. We made this piece of 1/4 inch rod that'll fit up in this hole right here to lock the bed in place. The bed up and out of the way, we have full floor space. At night, you just flip it down to sleep, and you can still sit underneath. Thanks for watching.